Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO consultant, and owner of a Google Partner company. So today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have. So the question is, has anyone experienced issues with campaign settings like this? I keep unchecking the search partner options under networks. Then when I check it a few days later, it has been selected again, but I am the only person with access. So what happens exactly? Okay, for those who don't know, let me show first, on what is this. So it's because if you are in the Google campaign, and if you see over here, you can see in the networks tab, you can see the search partners over here. Okay, and in the search partner you can see that there is an include search partners. So what happens is that when you include search partners, all of the people who are using Google search as a tool on their website for their customers or visitors to search on, and then your ads will be appear on those as well. Okay, so the guy unchecked overhead, and still it was shown that it has been selected automatically again. Okay, so it's just because simply, and because you are saying that because you are the only person with access. Okay, you do not need to worry. This is not your account being hijacked or something like this. It's just because of a simple glitch, which is why it happens. Because if you look around on their notifications or something like that, there is something which is called auto apply recommendations. Whenever you see such thing, you always have to dismiss your recommendations or manually approve your recommendations, because due to your auto recommendations it's going to happen. Let me see if I can see on any of other client as well, and then I can show you. For instance, if I move to this client, and then I can see if there is any auto recommendations over here. So okay, now there is not over here. Let me see in another account as well, because notifications are okay, it's not over here as well. So let's move on to another account and see. Okay, it's not over here as well. If there are any recommendations, okay, if you see over here that the recommendations, view recommendations, and over here if you click on the view recommendations, then you may see that Google have already suggested few of the recommendations for your account. You can see over here. Okay, what happens is that if you do not click yes or no, they automatically being are applied by some time. So the best is to always look on, and in case if you like it, approve it, or then dismiss it. Okay, okay, so that should be your exact strategy, and that is the reason because Google may have suggested you to get more traffic through by applying to search network, and you may have unknowingly done it, and which is why your traffic was increased. So I mean, it was automatically being selected, so just have to dismiss it. So I hope it answers your question. So in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or SEO services, the details are in the description of this video, and how you can reach with us and work with me and my team. So I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.